A domestically made fixed-wing drone with 2 sets of rings and vertical takeoff and landing capabilities has been unveiled to the public. The new drone has innovatively adopted the aerodynamic layout of 2 sets of wings and multiple rotor wings. The research team has mastered all the core technologies for the drone, from the drive system and multi-sensor information fusion to the flight control system and algorithms. They have achieved normal takeoff and landing of the drone under an extremely low temperature of -40 degrees Celsius, an altitude of 5,500 meters, and in strong winds up to force 7, thus breaking several performance limits for an unmanned aerial vehicle. The drone is powered by lithium batteries. The high energy efficiency has enabled the drone to have a good load capacity and a long battery life.